Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's time for another art supply review. And this time we are going to take a look at the graphic tablet Deco Pro from the company XP-Pen. XP-Pen sent me this device to take a look at it and make a review. This is not a sponsored video and all I say is my own opinion. I hate unboxing videos, so if you don't mind we skip forward so you don't have to watch me removing all the plastic bags, boxes and so forth. The box includes the graphic tablet itself, one passive stylus, 8 replacement nibs and the pen holder, one USB-C to USB cable and one USB-C to USB adapter, and one USB to micro USB adapter, a quick guide, a drawing glove and a welcome card and the driver instructions. The medium size of the Deco Pro has a 11 by 6 inch working area, which is similar to my Intuos Pro Medium. The tablet comes with 8 express keys and a double wheel, which is actually a mechanical wheel, and the touchpad. All of those can be customized to your needs in the driver, as well as the pressure curve and the pencil buttons. You will see that I needed some time to get used to not drawing directly on the display, but after some time of using it I felt quite comfortable and the lines were getting smoother and more confident. The pencil is battery free and with 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity, well balanced and quite comfortable to hold. There is no erase functionality on the rear, but I never use this on other styluses anyway, so it doesn't bother me too much. The pen has 2 customizable buttons and comes with a stand or a tube where you can put it in, and 8 extra nibs. So now let's paint something. In Photoshop I couldn't find any hint of lag and the responsiveness was flawless. Okay, so now I come to the cons of the tablet. Actually there's only one minor thing I can complain about. The surface isn't glossy or the smoothest, that's why I got some, let's call it scratchiness while drawing. Maybe it's because I'm using the iPad very often lately with its glass surface. It's not a big thing and most of you will even prefer this, as it's closer to drawing on real paper in my opinion. There are 2 sizes available, small and medium. The small is about €99 and the medium costs €30. If you can afford it, I would recommend buying the bigger one. Okay, now we come to something special. The Deco Pro series supports the connection with Android tablets and Android mobile phones. It works with most software such as Medibang, Autodesk, Sketchbook, ZenBrush, ArtRage and I think some more. This is a nice bonus, but not an important feature for me because I don't own an Android tablet anymore. And I would say better use it on your tablet with 10 inches screen and more, because the 5 or 6 inch screen of a phone could be a little too small to paint on it. And by the way, all the express keys don't work while connected to the Android device, as well as the wheel. But drawing functionality and pressure works well. The Deco Pro works with Windows 7 and above, Mac OS 10.10 and above, and Android 6.0 and above. And it works with most major creative software including Photoshop, Sci, Painter, Illustrator, Clip Studio, GIMP, Medibang, Krita, Blender, and some more. I will shut up now for a minute and will be right back for the final conclusion. So as final words, I have come to the conclusion that it doesn't have to be the most famous top-of-the-notch brand for your professional work. The Deco Pro can totally hold up to the Intuos Pro, and as someone who started with a Graphite 2 back in the days, I must say technology has caught up a lot. Oh, and before I forget, XPPen has sent me an additional Deco Pro. And I will make this giveaway when I hit the first 1000 subscribers here on YouTube. So hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to get all the info about this giveaway. And that's it for now. I hope you liked this video and I will see you next time.